Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas by Ushnam. Friends, my today's video is very important and very creative, and at the same time it contains very easy and simple design ideas. Yes friends, you have heard it right. In this video I am sharing a very beautiful and a very pretty design ideas of very easy hand embroidery stitches, 1 minute easy to make hand embroidery flower designs. Yes friends, you have heard it right. The designs you are seeing right now on your screens, you are seeing the flowers, one type of flower in a plenty of design pattern, that is in the form of an all over pattern, but this one flower is made only by utilizing the effort of 1 minute. 1 minute is a very less amount of time, and you can make a very beautiful pattern of flower. Very easy embroidery stitches, very easy. I repeat it once again, very easy embroidery stitches have been used to make these whole embroidery patterns, like lazy daisy stitch. Lazy daisy stitch is the easiest, the finest and the very prettiest embroidery stitch that every embroidery beginner must start. Then satin stitch, then forward stitch, then pinwheel stitch, and simply some sort of chain and fly stitch. You can also decorate these 1 minute hand embroidery flower designs with the combination or with the addition of beads or pearls to give a more elaborative and very beautiful enhanced beauty to the entire pattern. Now where you can use these patterns, you can use these patterns of very easy flower embroidery for making your face masks, for making your all over embroidery dresses. And not only dress designing, you can also design your baby girl dresses by utilizing very beautiful and pretty design ideas of the 1 minute hand embroidery designs. And every embroidery beginner must try these and should start and begin with these very easy embroidery patterns. So thank you so much for watching my today's content. I hope all of you have really liked my today's collection. So try one of these patterns and share your experiences with us. Stay tuned and stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again.